Good morning, YouTube. Let's go. Let's do some top-down analysis for all the pairs. Alright, I hope you can hear me clear. That's awesome. Looks good. Let's slay it today, come on. Let's get that dough, let's get extra analysis in. Alright, let's see. Alright, 950 area. It's basically somewhere around that area. Very nice, okay. Let's look at some weekly levels. Alright, weekly resistance, daily resistance, that's the daily resistance which resulted in a daily faker and it came back down. Alright. So this is where we are at again. Yesterday also we came to this 800 level and rejected off it. I'm starting to feel like if we start breaking the stop we should I'm starting to feel like if we start breaking the stop we should go. So now we created this support, right? I don't see why we should continue back down. I think it's time to go up on GJ. Okay, right now we got a support created over here. It's a range down. Need to find the ranges. $14 pips to the top, 14 pips to the bottom. Alright, there you go. 160 is the level I'm looking to break. For sells, let's see. Spike, spike, spike. If we begin to break this low on the 4-hour time frame, it should continue down. We're gonna start making lower highs and lower lows at that point. Yeah, I'm gonna start considering some good sells at that point, depending on how we react to this region. But even though, okay, this is not a clear range. Yeah, if it breaks those top wicks, I'd be expecting it to continue, considering this is the new support in continuation to the next major support. Okay, that's good. Let's go to GBP USD. Alright, so GBP USD is pretty nice. Let's go from the monthly. We have tapped into this zone. let's say this 200 level, a weekly bullish trend, daily, we have a daily resistance up here, a daily support down here. Will we be able to break it today is a question, because this support has been forming for some time now. Okay, so this should be interesting actually to see how it reacts today. $950, 120. All right, so we're gonna, yikes. Alright, so you see the daily supports. I'm hoping this daily support will break when we start breaking this low. So 110, drawing a support at 120. Fura. One hour support up here. Yeah. So you see this if I do take this sell, it would be for selling a daily low. Yeah, if it starts to break in order to see continuation down. But I need some confirmations at that point. Firstly, we made all those moves, so it shouldn't be a problem. But over here, we've had a problem before. So, I need to look at this area. See right over there, I think. There you go. So that's zones we're marking for now. This should be really good. This is of 4R and daily low. Alright, that looks good. Yo, hey, Archie, twin. Oh, my bad, man. I hope it's fine now. Welcome to DC Trading and Company. Just let me know, man. How long have you been into trading? What are you looking for? Yeah. So Archie, are you in a trading? Yo, good morning.
Good morning. Sorry, I'm so late, man.
It's still.
Listen, because of you, okay? Sleep early.
Yeah, I'm always up early to bed, early to rise, you know. We are on that grind. No movie night tonight.
What is movie? How the market looking, good or not?
So far it's pretty decent. Let's see. I've marked it all up just now.
Yeah.
We've got some really good opportunities, breaking it down from the higher time frames.
Marking it now.
Yeah, come on, time to get on that grind.
Let's go.
You know the vibe. Okay, market moved exactly 10 pips. 600 level. Okay, another 600 level. Alright, so now we have to be careful. This 600 level is legit dangerous. Let's see. Maybe buys above 188. I mean 118, 1898. I don't know. I need some proper candle structure to form like this. Yesterday, the way this formed was so perfect. You could have executed most perfect cells. Dun, dun. Alright, daily, weekly, let's go. So let's go to the monthly itself. Okay, we broke the top. Weekly is now bearish. If it flips bullish, that would be awesome.
I was thinking about what you said, man.
Which one?
Sunday.
Hehe. Dun, 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 dun.
How would we go get it though?
Hey, you know my area, dude. No one is out. Like, no cops are there.
Cops are there, I see them, but they're not doing anything. When I
Yeah,
came,
did Twitter and Instagram and all agree to comply by Indian regulation?
Facebook agreed, that much I saw.
If Facebook agreed, then that's direct agreement by WhatsApp and Instagram.
So,
Dun, dun. Ooh,
Well,
ooh.
we are so screwed, but yeah. Doesn't seem
It
to
is
stay.
what it is. Dun, 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 dun. Let's go. Dun 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 do 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 do. Dude, yesterday the buys I called all the way from down here during New York session from here.
1 second. Yeah, which one?
Right here, the buys I call when it closed above. Okay, close above. 15 pips stops. It pushed 40 pips. Literally, the calls are so clean, man. Now we just have to make sure we capture them. Hey. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's 3, 2, 1, let's bounce. Be right back.
Sorry.
And I'm back. Ooh. Da 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 da. GA. High time frame rollover, I think, man. So we started making lower. I would say I would be expecting sells in GA, man. We getting this massive change in direction, right? But what we have to also notice is we're getting these spikes, which are spikes of rejection. We need one of these spikes to reject and stay like that. Because as of now, it's like just retested this zone, right? So we need one of these spikes to retest this and break through it. So we're gonna wait till we find one of those massive candles that reject to the down, and let's go. Let's ride it. Euro New Zealand. Okay, GBP USD, there's an opportunity once it starts breaking the low, right?
Yeah.
Once it starts breaking the support.
But that 110 level, like super strong, also might be a retest again
110 level, eh?
on the 4-hour time frame. Still marking. Looks very strong.
110 right here on the 4-hour. Oh, I get you. If
Lot of rejections, yeah.
if we're gonna take this trade, it'll be based off this daily break of the low, okay?
Alright.
At 1124. So just head over to the daily time frame and look, okay? So we had a support, minor support created, right? Then we had a minor bearish candle with a really strong bearish candle, right? So if this starts breaking down, I'd expect another continuation of strong bearish move, since we already broke one daily support.
Alright.
And so if we begin to break this low, you see how before this, you see how this big bullish candle, it respected the low.
Yeah.
So if this daily doesn't respect the low, then I would say it's gonna continue down all the way to the next daily support. Because that's just price action, right? That's just candle movement, market structure.
Yeah. Let's just mark that down.
Yeah. That's just my take on it. My little 2 penny bits. Uh, 50. But yeah, like you said, that 110 structure is a strong level, especially into a 4-hour support, right?
Even like 1 hour, there's lot of rejections under that level.
Yeah. Because I just expect a massive market push to continue down. 1 second. AUD, USD, any news? USD, news this evening, unemployment claims. Interesting. 7 a.m. Some other news. If it begins to break that low, I would suspect it to really push down, dude. I would feel like that's enough of a top wick, so I'd expect Asian session to push that down. Let's see. When the time comes, we'll decide whether we're gonna give it a shot or not. As of now, the time hasn't come. The time isn't upon us. Dun 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 dun. Dun 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 dun. Because so look at the 4 hour, okay? We do have this support right here, okay? So let me just break this down for you. We do have this support. We went up to create a high, okay? Created a high, we created a low, we created a lower high, we created a low, right?
Yep.
And then we created a lower high again and a lower low, right?
Yep.
So by all means, this makes sense as a bearish market to continue down, at least to retest probably, let's say, this level right here. So that's my reasoning behind why I'm looking to take a sell. I'm looking real bearish. I would actually boldly say I'm looking to take it down to this level to retest these lows, because when you go to the daily time frame, I don't want it to stop. I want it to continue. But if it does, this is one of my key take profit areas. Yeah. It's just that there are a lot of zones in this.
It's a good 50 to 60 range. So yeah.
Yeah. I'm just looking for that daily thing to fill. And so yeah, so these 4-hour rejections is what I'm also keeping in mind. If it starts rejecting these 4-hour candles down here at 41050, then we can start looking at where we can manage risk. But my take on it is I just wanted to break and continue. No questions asked.
Let's see.
Yeah. It'll all depend on the volume when it does break that. Could it be a small minus swing trade? 30 pips. Who knows? Dun, dun. Archie, are you still there?
New subscriber?
I guess so. Okay, USD has some good buys also up there, so if we start seeing rejections to the downside, we could be expecting some bullish moves. Extremely bearish candle on gold, 50-minute break in all 5-minute supports. No candle wicks to the downside, which is not safe. GBP AUD. We're only waiting for safe trades. As of now, AUD is in like a no man's land.
Yeah. Lower time frames it has some huge
Yeah.
fake out.
Alright, so look at Euro New Zealand, okay?
Alright. Looks messy though.
Yeah, so now we're going to the monthly time frame. Okay, so if you're watching the stream, just look at this. Okay, so right over here, let's just take the previous support. Okay,
Alright.
let's just take the previous support, and so we are having rejections to the upside, which is pretty much what we could consider a break-in retest. Moving down to the weekly, can you see that break-in now retesting?
Yeah.
So now we're going to just mark that 1 second, 920. So we're seeing that we're rejecting this area down here, and so now we're looking at this area. So it's a kind of liquidity area, which it's fine. The market is finding place to push back up. Okay, 1 second. 950. Alright, there's a support down there at 950. So now coming down to the daily time frame. So now we're going to readjust this to be aligned properly. 920, 1920 is good. 920 is good, yeah. So let's look at this side. 920 seems good over here too. Let's see if we can get a 900 level. So you see how with Euro New Zealand you have to kind of go a little deeper.
Yeah.
All right. Let's do an 800 level. Okay, so that's just the daily. Okay, so we've had this massive daily candle coming back down. On the weekly time frame, if this candle closes like this, firstly we have a support to the left, but we want to see whether it's going to continue down or not. Monthly time frame, if we are to continue down and close below these wicks over here, then we could consider a solid move down. Right, so that would be a push below this level. 1.64 flat.
If it closes below 1.64.
Yeah, so we have to see if the May candle can push down and close.
Yeah, but there's a lot of space between that.
Yeah, what's the space? 200 pips. How many days are left? It's easy for Euro New Zealand. Like I said, it's called the dragon, right? When it moves, it moves. When she moves, she moves. Anyway. So now what we need to start identifying is these higher time frame trends that are forming. Okay. So now we got this bullish trend that has been forming. If you notice the higher highs, higher lows. So now on the 4-hour time frame, what we need to see is we have this massive candle to the left which we'd want to fill. Right, so there's an 800 level in there. There's a 340 level in there. Alright, resistance and a support basically. Okay, and so yeah, so 1 second, let me just mark this out. Alright, 800 level is right there. 340 level is right here. Oh. $350, $330. Okay, GJ. Okay, GJ hasn't set up the way we want it to as yet. Neither has GU. GU's coming closer and closer to breaking the support and closing below. So since it was able to make an upper wick, right?
Yeah.
We want to see when it starts breaking the low, we want to see just a big continuation.
Alright. Almost right. Yeah,
Yeah.
7 minutes left.
Maybe even something like this. And just a massive push right down. Because you see what happened in these areas, just a massive push down. So we'd expect a massive push down. Impulsive sells. Anyway, back to New Zealand. Really good opportunities on the buys. All the way up to 0.60 level. Yeah, I'd be expecting to fill this range on Euro New Zealand. I want to make the best of it, so yeah. $30 pips. This range itself is massive. 50 pip range. $310, $320 and $300. Alright. It's 20 pip range up there, man. GBP USD is looking good. We wanna break and close below, maybe somewhere over here, and then the next candle to make an upper wick, and then to just break this low. So the 4 hours coming down. Okay, let's just do a note to stream. Note to stream. Okay, one. All trades are taken based on personal choice. Any other trades you're looking at, bro?
I mean, AUD, I feel it's been picked out too much. The trade,
Which or GBP AUD?
yeah. I mean, those are on the lower time frames, but yeah,
Oh right. Oh, so the bullish moves.
yeah.
Yeah.
I know, man. I'm not feeling comfortable with AUD.
Yeah. That's why I only marked the top level up there.
Yeah. For the higher time frame is good.
Yeah.
Let's see. Otherwise, yes, others are clean callouts. Neuro New Zealand, I feel, yeah, range is way too much. But
Yeah.
once it's broken, solid pushes will get.
Or that mainly that 800 level, right?
Yep.
That is what we're waiting for. Yeah. Okay. All trades to be max risk of comma 1 or 2. Okay, 1 to 2%, 1% to 2% of trading account. What is it? Is this an anchor text? Oh, whatever it is, it's fine. 3 for the safest trades. Wait for candle just below or above marked zones. Okay. Okay. I see you. I wouldn't want this 30-minute to break the low. Don't break the low, respect it and go back up. You see how in the first minute it's trying to break the low? That's the bad part. Yeah, that's literally the bad part. The 1 hour so doesn't have a top wick. Okay, it hasn't broken the low yet. Ah man, it broke the low. What's the time? 31.
31.
Okay, I wanna get in, man. Oh,
Pushing. Gonna break the support with more closer.
yeah. It's okay, we're gonna be disciplined. If it closes the way we want it to close and then starts breaking this candle low, then we could expect it to continue. Alright,
Alright, done.
we're just gonna wait for this, let it come up, make its upper wick. No FOMO. Look at that pullback. Needs to make a top wick, man. What is everything doing? Okay. GJ is pushing up.
But like, what happened to the volume, man? Like it died or something?
Yeah, it is what it is, man. Now we as traders have to go searching for the volume somewhere.
Yeah. So random time it will come.
Yeah.
Maybe it's only news now, who knows?
You remember what I told you about my assumption?
Yep.
It feels very real, like.
Uh,
But yeah, it is what it is. Let's see. Come on, man. Push up enough to make a top wick and then we can go down. Then I will get in. So if we start making a top wick and then start flipping bearish, I'll get in.
that's only if we make the topic, right?
Yeah. So I'll get in over here because you get what I mean. This one broke the support.
Yep.
So this one would have made its top wick. I'd be expecting it to respect this high, of course, at 5 pips in order to continue down.
But would you... Okay, you're expecting it to break the support you mark below and continue, right?
Yep. So
Otherwise, that's just 10 pips and yeah, it's not enough.
yeah, this one is my caution level, right? So right over here, I'm gonna start looking to manage risk. Because this is just a level that we marked because it's there. Otherwise, we are looking for it to break this level easy. Because we're taking this based on higher time frame analysis, right? So yeah. So my goal is for us to be in this trade all the way from up here and hold it for a few weeks till it goes all the way down. Yeah, it's beginning to push. Still no top wick, man. Come on. If it plays around too much over here, it's highly unlikely to push down after that. So what happens is it spends most of its time down here, that it starts creating these lower wicks, right, of rejection. And so when it goes up, there's enough power to push it back up, right? So the volume is kind of like, how the volume works is like it spends so much time down here, down here, down here. So when it starts pushing up, it gets the volume to push up.
Yeah.
Because it finished messing around at the bottom. So when it pushes up, it just goes back, right back up.
Okay, topic is made.
Finally. Let's see. Need
Are
a
you-
little bit more of a topic, man.
Yeah, so if it makes little more, you're getting in as soon as it flips.
Yeah, let's see.
Depends
5
on how it
minutes. Yeah. How it forms is very important. Or maybe when it starts breaking the daily low again. because then it'll be a really strong bearish candle, right?
Yep.
So, and plus we'll have like what, 5 pip stops or whatever. So if it starts breaking the daily low again, then we'd expect volume to continue pushing. But from a fundamental point of view, I don't see why USD should gain any strength to, you know, demolish it in its path. Anything in its path. Okay. This GJ support is there, but GJ is really messy, man. I don't know what to do with it. It's very dirty. Yesterday there was some good moves, but yeah, it is what it is. Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Da-da. Yeah, I take this trade only when it starts breaking the daily low again, because I want to see this candle flip bearish and continue.
Well, it is going to do that again. Oh, never mind.
Yeah, can never be too sure just yet.
There we go, it's breaking.
Oh my, on MT5 is not breaking. MT5 is struggling. Let's see.
And these charts are up again on empty.
Yeah. See, 20 minutes, 20 seconds, I mean. Dun, dun, dun. So right now, can you see how it's playing around the daily low right now?
Yeah.
Previous daily low. Let's see, let this 5-minute candle make a topic. 15-minute is looking really fabulous. But the 5-minute has no topic on it. Needs to respect this and break the lows. We're just gonna play this real cautious, let's see. Yo, Archie. Archie, are you in a trading or what, man? What's happening? Guys in the chat, and drop a text in the chat. Are you all into trading or what? And if you wanna copy my trades, I'll tell you when I'm about to enter a trade. Right now we're looking at this level on GBP USD. As we're breaking the lows, we're looking, we'll be breaking 2 daily lows. We'd be looking to continue down, breaking this support down to the next support, right, at 1.40500. So that's the trade we're looking at. We want this to continue since we had a previous engulfing bearish candle. So yeah, so that's what we're looking at right now. And right now it looks to be rejecting that level. So yeah, that's what we're looking for, at least on GBP USD.
5 minutes is created the wick topic.
Yeah. Alright. We're up to 4 viewers. Welcome, welcome guys. Dun, 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 dun. I trade during the London session. It is 3 am in my country. I can't get sleep, so I decided to hop on here and get some education. Yeah, man, for sure. That's awesome. Well, we're here every day. You know, I just started live streaming, but I've been trading for some time now. But yeah, from experience, what we've been looking at is we've been rejecting the top right now. Right? What happened the last time we came into this area? Right? So what we're looking at is we rejected it once, rejected it twice. Right over here there's a rejection in there, and we tumbled, right? So when we came back here last time, guess what happened? Massive rejections. So now our goal is to find out if it starts rejecting this time. I want to be in that, right? I want to be in there. So I'm just looking to give it some chances. Yeah, so once we start breaking this support, I think this daily support will be very key. So I'm just waiting for the market to catch some volume in order to continue breaking that and continue. Because I really feel that if GBP USD starts breaking down, it'll really start pushing. But with the economic conditions, right, and the way US is right now, I don't know if we're gonna get that volume or what, but let's see. You know, with the FX market, you never know. So yeah, man, Archie, that's awesome. You can, why don't you join our Discord server? I was planning to live stream the London session also this afternoon. But yeah, and tell me, which part of the world are you on, man? It's awesome to connect with like-minded individuals. Yeah, Traders Way is having some problem. I mean, Trading View is having some problem. Okay, copy this. We gotta put it on all charts, man. So I'm suspecting GJ sells to be really good, dude. Only cause, so look at this, okay?
Yeah.
Alright, so look at this. We've come into this region. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rejections from the zone. Okay? This zone is mighty freaking powerful, right? So if we're rejecting the zone that many times, right, and we start breaking supports below this level, like let's say 154 flat,
Yeah.
then we'd be on our way to create low wicks. So my safest sells would be below 800, this point 800. Why? Because firstly we'd be breaking this bullish market structure. So right now we're in this range, right? We're in this range from 320, 154, 320 all the way to 153, 800. If we start breaking this range, we start creating lower highs and lower lows. So I want to be in there.
Okay.
So that's what I'm suspecting. GBP USD, is it happening now? Okay. 15-minute time frame looks like it's gonna break the low. I don't know, man. Why is it struggling to create upper wicks? So let's see. 11 minutes for this half an hour candle to close. Kenya, Africa. You mind sending the Discord link? Yeah, for sure, man. I'll tell you what. Can you, on my website, you just go to my website, and click over here. Find us on Discord. Alright. I'll move to the Gulag Lounge, where you can even talk to us if you want. Alright. Is that fine? It's just, wait, let me try to put it in the chat. It's just www.dcfx.in.
Yo, wait. Geo is dying. Oh man. Geo is gone.
He's gone.
Yep.
Oh man, I spoke about that the whole time. Oh man, I told you, right, that daily low, breaking that daily low.
Yep.
It's okay. That was a good trade called out. So if anyone was in that position, you're already up 10 pips from the 30-minute close. Oh, almost 9.8 pips. At this point, so this is the point where I was telling you we would start managing risk, right?
Yep.
Depending on how it closes, so yeah. GJ is also breaking down, so that's why we want to start looking. We want to start being careful now, okay? We want to start looking for opportunities, but no FOMO. Okay, so once it started breaking those lows, 3-hour lows, okay, what would that be? 10 pip stops? Yeah, 7 pip stops. GJ is going right into that rejection zone, so I don't want to touch it even. GU is up 10 pips. .8, 9.9, 10 pips, 9.9 pips. I would suggest, guys, like if anyone's in this trade, I want you to be out of here. Not out. At least close partials and put your stops at break even, because at this point you don't wanna lose what you made. And so since it has these important rejections to the left, you don't wanna be in there. Like, you wanna be cautious at least, because what you're expecting is for price to just break this level with volume. Your Gypsy,
What
let's move to free education.
Alright, the webinar one?
Yeah, webinar one.
Alright. I'm here.
Yep, 1 second, screen sharing.
Can hear you.
Let's go. Feel free to join us, man. You can talk to us also, yeah. If you join the free education voice channel. So yeah, so this fora is about to close in 35 minutes, right? We're gonna be there for the opening of the next fora, okay, Prani?
Alright.
We're gonna wait to see if that fora can create an upper wick and break that. So I would think maybe a little bit of this, okay? Maybe
Alright.
a little bit of this, and then a massive drop, because it has to create that upper wick, right? So the fora closes down here, it has space to create that upper wick of a solid 10 pip upper wick, and then just break down all the way to, yeah, at that point I think it's just gonna continue breaking down. Why does this sound like happy birthday? Oh, it is happy birthday. Lol. So happy birthday samba style. Alright, so gold right now. It created that upper wick, broke the low. As you can see, it's a little like undecisive right now. So according to the 3R, it's breaking the previous low.
Gold arranging again.
Yeah, okay, wait, look at this. It's about to break down again.
Do we take it on the break or wait for closure?
It's a very interesting level, man. Selling at a support, that's the problem. We could miss this trade out, but this is a learning curve. What we want to do is remain disciplined. So we're not going to sell right low over here. Our selling point was here, we missed it, so we're not going to sell over here. We're going to wait and watch what's going to happen. If we see this work out, then in the future we know what we did.
Yeah.
Dun, 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 dun. GJ is starting to break down.
Mm.
Alright, this looks good. Let's see. GU is moving. Let's see, it's broken the low. Could it continue breaking? Sells below this level will be good. 40 seconds to close. So break of this level. Whoever took this trade had 5 pip stops, you had 10 pip gains. There is no complaining over here.